Hello all, a warm greetings to everyone. We, Dr. J. Janet, Dr. S. Balakrishnan, Dr. P. Kavitarani and Dr. A. Padma, the team Shanaya, representing Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Kuniyamuttur, Coimbatore, have a great pleasure in presenting delicious, nutritious and healthy recipes by incorporating millets and amla flakes in our regular diets. Let's see how to make multi-millet paniyaram. So the ingredients are finger millet flour, koda millet flour, boiled rice flour, black gram dal powder, fenugreek powder, chopped onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves, cumin seeds, chopped cashew nuts, millet flakes, chopped chili flakes, coconut powder, salt, oil and water. Take a container, add koda millet flour, finger millet flour, little millet flour and then black gram dal powder, some amount of salt, then add little pinch of fenugreek powder. All those multi-millets helps us in reducing high blood pressure, diabetes and high cholesterol. Add some water and mix it well and then add it into the another bowl and add some grated coconut and add required amount of jaggery powder and then mix it well. This is for sweet paniyaram. Big container, add millet flakes, cashew nuts, some amount of cumin seeds, chopped onions, curry leaves, chopped chilies, coriander leaves and some drumstick leaves. Then mix it well. Now it's time to cook. Apply some oil in the paniyaram pan and fill each mold when the pan is hot enough. When they are fried to golden, turn them to the other side and follow the same procedure for the sweet paniyaram also. Now our healthy and crispy multi-millet paniyaram is ready. Let's see how to make vitality cookies. So the ingredients are finger millet flour, koda millet flour, barnyard millet flour, little millet flour, foxtail millet flour, pearl millet flour, wheat flour, millet flakes, amla flakes, jaggery powder, shortening, baking powder. Firstly, we have to sieve the dry powders and mix it well after adding baking powder. Take some amount of butter in a plate, spread it a little and add jaggery powder to it and grip it until it reaches fluffy consistency. Then add dry powders to it and mix it well. These cookies are great sources of fibers and minerals like calcium, iron and vitamin B. Now add millet flakes and amla flakes to the mixture and make it to dough consistency. And flatten the dough over the plate and use cookie shapers to cut them out and bake it in the oven at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. Cookies are ready to serve. Let's demonstrate the process of crunchy energy bites. The ingredients are little millet flakes, amla flakes, lecithin, cocoa powder and skimmed milk powder. Firstly, prepare chocolate bars using these ingredients to proceed further and then take the chocolate bar and cut them into small pieces so it will be easy for melting. Melt the chocolates until it becomes soft consistency. Then add millet flakes and amla flakes to the melted chocolate and stir it well. Then pour them into the chocolate tray. These energy bites are enriched of healthy millet flakes and amla flakes which will be loved by children. So freeze it and serve it. Crunchy energy bites are ready. We, the team Shanaya, are super happy in sharing these healthy and delicious recipes with you all. Your diet is a bank account. Good food choices are good investments. Eat healthy, stay wealthy. Thank you.